Good morning, guys. I'm here waiting to take Jackson into school. I had to do the school run this morning because Nick has something else that he's doing. So I had to get ourselves out and about a little earlier than normal, but it's actually okay because I'm taking Oakland over to my mom's for the day. I plan to go back home and work on a bunch of stuff. The house is a little crazy right now. We're kind of in the middle of the laundry room project, and I have like a whole box of organizing supplies sitting in my kitchen, and I really want to work on my spice cabinet, organizing it today. It just needs some help. I want to show you guys some clothes I got and do laundry, like fold laundry. That's another thing I struggle with right now, is getting the laundry folded. So yeah, struggle is real. Are you getting impatient? So thought I'd take you guys along. It'll be basically a motivational type of video filled with just a bunch of different stuff, also with vlog style mixed in it. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you're new, consider subscribing. My name is Lynette and we live in Sarasota, Florida. We're at Grandma's. We're at Grandma's. So I'm here at Mom's. She had to go move some cars, but anyway, update on my grandpa. He's back here at home and he's doing pretty good. He's walking some. The therapy has been really good for him at the rehabilitation place, so that's really good. But he's glad to be home again. So what are you doing? You be good, Oakland.
No problem.
Okay, I'm back. So here is my spice cabinet and oils, etc. This is what I've been doing for a long time, but just feel like it's getting harder to find things and it looks very chaotic. Not pleasing to the eye. It works maybe, kind of, but then, you know, you have to like dig to see where stuff is. And I love Lazy Susans, but I'm just tired of this setup. So this one, I did get some new ones. I'm not sure yet if I'm going to use this one or not. It depends how my spices all fit in here, but I'll show you guys that then. And then the top shelf, I don't have much up here. This is like extra oil, and I think, what is this? Worcestershire? Yeah. And then my cookbooks, which I may relocate if I need the extra space. So this is what I'm going to try and work on today at some point. So I am using e-cloths. I had talked about it recently in my cleaning video that I did, but I love these e-cloths. I have a link for them down below. You only need to clean with water, and they have a lot of different types. They have stuff for stainless steel. They have multi-purpose. It's sort of like Norwex, honestly, but I don't see a difference personally, and I feel like they're cheaper. And I don't know, I just love them. So if you're wanting to try some of them, I have a link down below in the description box. So just thought I'd tell you that. To rework my wardrobe a little bit since having Oakland. I'm definitely not back to the pre-baby weight, but I know it takes time and I need to actually start working out a little bit. I don't like working out personally, but I know it's good for me, and I don't know, I should at least start running, doing something like that. But in the meantime, some of my clothes that I had aren't fitting, or you know, it's been a while, I'm just not quite into them anymore. And you guys know I love to thrift. I thrift all the time, so I'm always hunting for, you know, secondhand clothing and whatnot. I really dislike paying full price for clothes. So that's where online shopping can come in handy sometimes, especially as a busy mom. I have shopped on thredUP before, and I've worked with them before. And by the way, they're sponsoring today's video, which I'm very grateful for, but they have so many different options of clothing, and they have the world's largest online thrift store, in case you didn't realize that. But they have so many different options to choose from, and they range up to like, I think 80–90% off sometimes. So you can find some really, really good deals, especially with like high-end clothes or whatever. But what I like about it is you can customize, you know, what you're searching for. Say I'm searching for a navy top, I could put in, you know, navy blouse and put that in. Filter, say, do I want sleeves? Do I want long sleeves? What kind of neckline I want, how much I want to pay for it. You can categorize everything and really narrow it down. So I have a discount code for you guys, which is 30% off your first order if you want to go check that out. There's a link in the description box, but I am wearing this one from thredUP, and I want to show you guys a couple other pieces that I got from there. This one was actually an American Eagle shirt, and typically I don't buy new things at American Eagle, not very often anyway. So this one, I don't know if you guys can see it or not, this is just a regular kind of like a basic tee. So the estimated retail price of this shirt at American Eagle is like $20, but I got it for $10.99, so that's a really good deal. And this thing looks very nice. It's very good quality and everything, so I'm really happy about it. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you a couple other pieces that I picked up and maybe show you how I would pair them. I really need to get a better full-length mirror, so excuse all the background stuff. But this next one is from Playon. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but the estimated retail price is $24.99, and I got it for $14.99. So this is just a kind of a fun little cactus print on it. It's very comfy, and I like it. At first I looked at it, I was like, oh my goodness, it's way too big, but it's totally not. Like if I tuck it in or something, it looks completely fine. So I'm happy about that. Okay, so the next one is this a skirt from Universal Threads, which is Target, and it was estimated retail price of $22, and I think I got it for $12.99. This is just, yeah, a fun kind of summery skirt, and I just think it's cute. Hopefully I can find something to pair with it. Let me know what you guys would wear with this. Also, once I get my tummy down a little bit, maybe I can pull it up further or whatever to kind of, you know, be a little bit more of a waist. But like I said, postpartum, so I don't have a whole lot of a waist going on right now. But you just got to do what you got to do for a little while. So okay, so the next one is one I really like. This is a Sienna Sky brand, which I don't know where you get those normally, but I get some of their brand. I've had a few pieces, I think, from TJ Maxx, Marshalls, you know, those places. So I looked up this brand and I was able to find this really cute blouse. It's got little roses on it. So I'm pairing it with like a really dark hunter green color, or you could also, you know, do like a rose color. This one could be very versatile, but you know, like a nice church dressy outfit. And this one was estimated retail price of $45, and I got it for $12.99. So I just think it's really cute and summery. One more piece I got. It was a little bit of a risk, but I'm gonna keep it because, okay, so it's this dress right here. I'm not gonna put it on. It's got like an eyelet detail at the bottom. It's just like a white linen style dress, and it is from Old Navy. It's a little bit tight yet. It's got a little bit of elastic at the waist. So I'm gonna keep it because I wanna be able to fit into this dress, and it's not unattainable at all. It's just a little snug right now, so definitely once I lose a little bit more of the baby weight, I'll hopefully be able to wear it. It'll just be a nice, fun summer dress. And it's not often that you can find dresses that are like modest, you know, necklines and stuff. I have a hard time finding bought-in dresses that are, you know, modest enough. And so I was pretty excited about this one. And it's from Old Navy. I got this one for $24.99, and the estimated retail price was $48, I believe. So not a bad turnaround, and consider, you know, it's a dress and everything. But yeah, I am gonna hopefully be able to wear this sometime, and I'm excited because I don't really have anything like it. So yeah, those are just a few of the pieces that I got, and I just wanted to share them with you. So if you are, you know, looking for, you know, secondhand clothing, and you know, you're trying to cut down on waste and that kind of thing, it's always a good place to look if you're interested. So definitely use the code LYNETTE and you'll get 30% off your first order. So the link will be in the description box down below. All right, I need to head out. I'm gonna go get Jackson after all, but I will be back to work on my spice organization after I get back, hopefully. So that's the plan. So I'm really excited because I'm going to be reorganizing some spaces in my house, mainly my kitchen, but possibly also some other places. So stay tuned for some more videos. I hope you enjoy organizing. I love it. I love having organized spaces, and there's a lot of areas that could use improvement in my house. So this is kind of the beginning of it, so be on the lookout for that. Okay, so these are the jars that I went with. I got them off of Amazon. I'll make sure to link them below. They're from M Design. They do have the shaker, and also they're square so you can fit more in, which is kind of what I was looking for. Oh, there are some labeled. I just now saw these. That's awesome. Wait, peppercorn. Wow, they've got all kinds of stuff. But they did send a pen along as well. And then they also have clear ones. That's really cool.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin,
This looks so much better. I tried to sort of put them in alphabetical order, starting left to right and going like this way. So I'll see how it works out. I tried to kind of stagger them somewhat, but I don't know how that'll work out long term. So I've got all of these. I've got a couple of empty ones, and I still have another box of like, I don't know how many there were, 14 maybe that I ordered. I wasn't sure how many I'd need, so I might return those or save them in case I want to add to my collection. But then on the top shelf I have these wonderful Lazy Susans, 2 of them. So I've got like my oils and vinegars on this one, and then I've got my seasoning packets and stuff right here. And then here I've got my baking powder and salt, just, you know, your typical things you kind of reach for a lot, as well as some vegetable oil. So pretty happy with that. Okay, and then here I just put my cookbooks, and I still have my potatoes and onions and stuff on here. So I just kind of took the cookbooks out of the other cupboard and put them all together. That way they're all in one place. So happy with that for now. I'm getting ready to do dinner. We're gonna have pork tenderloin.
This morning has so clear a light as any to see the horizon and the far.
So for the pork, I just bought a pre-seasoned pork tenderloin and seared it a little bit in the pan, and then I just put it in the oven at like 450, I think, for maybe 15 minutes or so. You kind of go by the poundage on them, and it was actually really good. So definitely something really easy to make. So for this dessert, I made it like a year ago on camera one time, and a lot of you guys liked it, and I decided I would just remake it for you in case you are wanting something really easy. Basically, you crush about 4 cups of graham crackers and mix it with 1 cup of peanut butter, 3/4 cup brown sugar or just regular white sugar, and then about 6 tablespoons of butter or margarine melted. Then you mix that together. The yummy part is the peanut butter in this crust. That is what makes all the difference. And then once you have that mixed together, you can either layer it trifle style or you can just put it in a pan. But the next thing you want to do is, I usually mix chocolate and vanilla pudding together. Like, I'll just dump the 2 kinds together just to help the chocolate not be quite so rich. And then I'll just, you know, pour in milk as much as needed, or just go by the box directions, it doesn't matter. And then I'll just layer crumbs and pudding and whipped topping like on top of each other. You could either do it, yeah, like a 9x13, or in just your trifle style dessert. Someone else actually did it that way, and I was like, well, that's a good idea. It makes it look even more fancy, and it's really not. It's literally the easiest dessert ever, and it's so good. It gets better like the longer it sits, I feel like, you know, until it reaches a certain point. But we love it. It's pretty much the boys' favorite dessert, and it's just super yummy, super easy. So hope you guys enjoy it. If you heard these squeaks, it's Oakland making some noise. So I know my glasses are really glaring here, but I got Miss Oakland with me. Say hi, everyone. Say hello. Aw, there she is. She was with my mom all day pretty much. So yeah, I'm gonna close out the vlog here. I really hope you guys enjoyed it today, just coming along, and I guess hopefully it gave you some motivation, and I hope you just enjoyed it in general. Let me know if you like these style videos. I know I've been doing a lot of these recently, so if you're getting tired of them, let me know. But this is kind of the stage of life that I'm in, and they seem to work really well for me, and I seem to feel like you guys enjoy them, so let me know. Give me a thumbs up, or just let me know in the comments. That'd be great. So that's gonna be it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Yeah, tell him bye. Big girl. What a big girl. Yeah.
There's no time to borrow today. Well, something's gotta give today. Is a good